Are you ready?
Don't move it, don't move
Ah!
it. Get a stool.
Okay, let's start again. Monday night, roast chicken, but we're not going to do just any old fucking roast chicken. We're going to do autumn yetalingi style roast chicken.
I don't think that's how you pronounce it.
And the thing is that we're going to make a stuffing, and the stuffing is couscous. Okay, I'm just going to have to feed them. What's this? Dinner! Now, couscous would have to be one of the easiest things you can use and cook with. This is what we do. Bowl. That's it? No, there's more to it than that. We're going to add some bits and pieces to this couscous. Dates that are pitted. And we're just going to roughly chop those up. Next, almonds. You just can chop almonds like this. In it goes the next bit. Zest of orange. Just a little bit of that one. But then, look at this. How's that? And now, in half orange, squishing. They're much easier to squish once you've zested them as well, because it makes the skin all squishy. Nice mum tip, Alex. Eh? Mm-hmm. Garlic. Ooh, look at that. That's monster. Squished garlic. Next. Bit of parsley. Hear that? That's a kettle. Now, mint. Pick those leaves. 3/4 cup of couscous. Half a cup of boiling water. Holy crap, how hard was that? We stir it around, and then you just put a bit of gladdy over the top. Couscous. And do you know how long we leave it for?
5 minutes.
About that. The old beautiful chicken that we're going to stuff that couscous in, I do something a little more. I just melt butter and put orange marmalade in it, and then I smother the chicken in it. Now, what do you think that does? God bloody. It makes the skin go all caramelizey and crunchy, but it tastes like orange. And honestly, it just gave this recipe a whole nother. I've put that much butter in, that's how much. Actually, and that, you want it to melt so that it becomes a sauce, so you can spread it over the chicken. Now the stuffy bit. By the way, what did I do to this chicken first off, Alex?
You washed it?
Yeah. Do you know people don't wash their chickens? And can I just say, if you don't wash your fucking chickens, then you're eating a dirty chicken. You wash it, and then what you do is you pat it dry, and you get a better crunchy skin too. Then we get a bit of string, and we get the little legs, and we wrap the string around, and we tie it up because it looks nice. It also helps keep the stuffing in. So now that beautiful marmalade-y, buttery, oh my God, it does get a little bit sticky at the bottom, and I forgot to put baking paper on the bottom. That's okay. So now what I've done is I have got the Weber on. If you don't have a Weber, doesn't matter. Whack it in the oven, 180. And look, given the size of this bird, I like to think it's going to take 2 hours. Okay, smashed potatoes. I am going to boil these until they are soft-ish. I'll show you how they need to be. That's where you want them. Not so they're all breaking up into little pieces. And then we're going to put them in a tray. The reason I left the skins on, is because the skins go so crunchy. And we're going to squish them. Oh. We're going to smother them in oil. And salt. Only a little bit of salt. And then we're going to bake them. Those mothers are going to be fucking ready enough now. I just want to show you what's going on with the chicken. Don't be scared of that black bit. That is purely the yummy orange marmalade. Vegetables are the best. I've got chickpeas, I've got broccoli, I've got leek, and I've got turmeric.
And?
Sweet paprika. I'm just going to do this. Leeks. So first I'm going to get a little bit of turmeric, about that much. Paprika, sweet paprika. I love that smell. We throw the leekies in. Broccolis, and we're not going to cook them till they die. Chickpeas now as well. How easy is this? You know what else I've got in the pantry that I've used once or twice? Puffed brown rice. So I'm just adding those in because they get all crunchy and yummy. Oh, see that? I could just live on that. So we've got this. We've got smashed potatoes and we've got chicken. Now this baby is going to sit up here and it's going to rest. And now you know why that pot's black as fuck. Look at it. Right, straight down the middle on the side. So that exquisite, beautiful stuffing, you just put that all over the top like that. The potatoes are ready. So what we've got there is just enough crunch and enough soft bits. Oh my God, look at that. Let's put it all on the table. Zzz. Un momento. Smashed potatoes. The skins are important, people. Don't be peeling them. You'll miss out on a real treat.